Good morning, everyone. For the third part of chapter 6, we have completed the story The 100 Dresses, and today I will give you some special tips for framing the answers of the given question of this chapter. At first, the first comprehension check. The first question of the first comprehension check is, what did Mr. Petronsky's letter say? And in the answer, you will write these points. Mr. Petronsky's letter said about Wanda and her brother Jack that they would not come to school anymore because they were moving to a big city. This is because there would not be such type of persons in big cities to make fun of their names, because in big cities there were plenty of funny names. Okay. Second question is Miss Mason angry with the class, or is she unhappy and upset? No, Miss Mason is not angry with the class, but she is unhappy and upset because she did not like the incident by calling it unfortunate and sad. Third question is, how does Maddie feel after listening to the note from Wanda's father? Maddie पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है? After listening to the note from Wanda's father, Maddie feels deeply hurt and sad for Wanda. She, she was being unable to give her concentration on her study in the classroom because Maddie feels guilty that she did not stop Peggy from making fun of Wanda. Now you watch question number 4. What does Maddie want to do? Maddie wants to get Wanda Petronsky and to tell that she did not want to hurt her feelings. She also wants to inform her about her victory and about her dresses that she had painted and sketched of so many beautiful dresses. Actually, she wants to praise her for beautiful 100 dresses. Comprehension check 2. The first question is, what excuses does Peggy think for her behavior? Why? Peggy अपने व्यवहार के लिए क्या बहाने बनाती है और क्यों? Actually, Peggy also feels guilty for Wanda Petronsky after getting her surprising skill of sketching. For so, she makes some excuses which can be expressed in this way. Number 1, she says that she never called Wanda a foreigner. Second, she also did not make fun of her name. And third, she did not know that Wanda would feel hurt. Next question. What are Maddie's thoughts as they go to Bogginside? Maddie got too much hurt, deeply hurt, after getting the news that Wanda Petronsky had left the city. So she makes a number of thoughts to deliver Wanda Petronsky. The thoughts can be expressed in the following way. Number 1, she wants to get Wanda Petronsky. Second, she wanted to tell her that they were sorry for their behavior. Third, they could tell her about her victory and their dresses were very beautiful. Next, they would stop her to leave the town, and the last, they would fight anybody who was not nice to her by one's behavior. Question number 3. Why does Wanda's house remind Maddie of Wanda's blue dress? वांडा का घर मैडी को वांडा की नीली पोशाक की याद क्यों दिलाता है? Wanda's house reminds Maddie of Wanda's blue dress because she always wore a faded blue dress, which used to be shabby but clean. The same condition was the condition of a house, that the house was also shabby but it was clean. Question number 4. What does Maddie think hard about? What important decision does she come to? When Maddie becomes unable to get Wanda Petronsky by going to Boggin's hide, she feels another time deeply hurt for Wanda Petronsky. So she thinks about Wanda's decision of leaving school, and at last she took a hard decision. She takes a hard decision that she would protest if she ever heard anybody making fun of others only for their names. Comprehension check 3. Question number 1. What did the girls write to Wanda? लड़कियों ने वांडा को क्या पत्र लिखा? The girls wrote a friendly letter to Wanda Petronsky by giving a number of eggs which were the symbol of their love and affection to Wanda Petronsky. They wrote about the drawing competitions and informed Wanda about her success, a big success in the contest. They also wrote that her drawings were very beautiful and were liked by everyone. Question number 2. Did they get a reply? No. They got the reply, but after passing a long period of time. Who was more anxious for a reply, Peggy or Maddie? In comparison of Peggy, Maddie was more anxious for a reply. And the third part of the question, how do you know? We know this because with the passage of time, Peggy started to forget about Wanda Petronsky, but she was only Maddie who was continuously very serious, very anxious, or very deeply hurt continuously for Wanda Petronsky, and she thought about her every time by taking hard decision for all those persons like Wanda Petronsky. Question number 3. How did the girls know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her? After getting Wanda's letter, they came to know that she liked them even though they had teased her, because Wanda Petronsky had mentioned in the letter that the girls would keep her all the 100 dresses, and especially she mentioned 2 dresses for for Peggy and Maddie. Not only this, they had found their own faces in 2 dresses also, which were especially for Peggy and Maddie. Students, the questions in thinking about the test are the questions for their long answers. I am giving you some hints for making the answer of these questions. With the help of those, you have to make the answers of all the given questions. As question number 1, why do you think Wanda's family moved to a different city? Do you think life there was going to be different for their family? Yes, I think Wanda's family moved to a different city because the girls in the school, or the classmates of Wanda Petronsky had been teasing her due to her funny names, due to her dresses, due to her shoes, and arising a number of questions to make fun of her. Her family used to get almost every day Wanda Petronsky in tension, in a very depression, much depression. So I think her family had decided to move to a big city where no one would tease Wanda for her funny name, as there were plenty of funny names in big cities. And the second part of the question, do you think life there was going to be different for their family? Yes, I think It is because in America, with her classmates, she used to get valueless, and she used to lose her respect there by sitting in the last bench in the corner, and used to be teased by the girls, especially Peggy and Maddie and all the other children. And in such type of in big cities, as there used to be the students of long names, there would not be the matter, would not be any issue for Wanda Petronsky for making fun of. So naturally, the life there would be changed. The second question. Mary thought her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. Was she right? Yes, she was right. For being Peggy's best friend, Maddie used to be stand where Peggy always made fun of Wanda Petronsky by asking her how many dresses she had, how many hats she had, and this and that. Maddie did not like this, but she did not speak to. But after getting the news that Wanda had left the school for being hurted, for getting such behavior of Peggy and Maddie and some other classmates too, she felt so much sad and guilty, and at last she accepted it that no, it should not be her manner. It shouldn't be her manner to be stand silently there, because if one is silent by watching that someone is doing wrong, the both would be accused the same. Question number 3. Peggy says, I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb. And gee, look how she can draw. What led Peggy to believe that Wanda was dumb? Did she change her opinion later? To answer, there are two questions especially in this very question. The first is what led Peggy to believe that Wanda was dumb? So for the answer of this, at first you have to write something, all the positive qualities of Wanda Petronsky and the behavior that were given by, especially by Peggy, and what would be the reaction of Wanda Petronsky. And here you have to discuss the given answers of Wanda Petronsky, and at that time what feelings that used to be created, getting by Wanda Petronsky that time. Such type of discussion you have to mention in your answer. And then for the second part, did she change her opinion later? Yes, later Peggy changed her behavior, her opinion about Wanda Petronsky after getting her great success, her winning in the contest. And question number 4. What important decision did Maddie make? Why did she have to think hard to do so? After writing something, something about the condition of Maddie regarding Wanda Petronsky, you have to discuss her feelings there. Then you have to conclude about the decision of Maddie, that at last she came to a conclusion that she would never stand by one who does wrong. If she found anyone treating a person unkindly, she would oppose immediately. She would not care about the result, whether she had to give up the friendship of Peggy too. Why did she have to think hard to do so? It is so because she had to regret for their behavior against Wanda Petronsky. That's why she had taken such type of hard decision. Question number 5. Why do you think Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of the dresses. Why are they surprised? Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of the dresses to show her real feelings regarding them. And why are they surprised? For the answer of this, the first answer you have to write more and more with the hints of this very sentence. And after discussing those, all the sentences, your sentences, those very sentences regarding the answer. For the answer of second part of the question, you have to write. Yes, Maddie and Peggy were surprised after getting Vanda's love and feeling regarding them, and especially after getting the faces on the drawings. Next question, question number 6. Do you think Wanda really thought the girls were teasing her? Yes, I think Wanda really thought about the girls that they were teasing her. If she doesn't face such, how could her father know about the behavior of her classmates against her? It was the sign of her understanding the behavior that she tried to stop the game by saying confidently that she had 100 dresses, 60 pairs of shoes, and so on. But actually, she had only one dress, and that's why at last her father wrote a letter to Miss Mason against the behavior of her classmates. So, students, these are the guidelines for making the answers of all the given questions. You have to write the answers of all questions. Thanks.